Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, today's video is going to be super simple. As you can probably tell by the title, we're simply rehydrating or steaming some already cooked crab. And what better way to do it than with my friend and your friend, the Big Easy Turkey Fry. Alright family, y'all stand by. We're gonna just make this super simple like we said earlier. Couple of ingredients and we eating crab, baby. Alright family, we'll be right back. Alright family, we already got the Big Easy going, and there we have our cord. If I didn't explain it to y'all in previous videos or you haven't already seen it, my idea why I wanted the super long cord, I'm getting older. I don't like lifting these heavy tanks anymore. So my idea is to build a kind of a storage system where I have the bigger tank on the bottom. There'll be another level. Then one of those will be on the top of that, and perhaps a third tank on top. I don't have to do a lot of moving. I can just take that cord if I want to cook with the Big Easy and take it and move it over here in the hog yard. I can do so. All right, family. Without further ado, we're just gonna take what we took was our frying pan, and that is what, a 13-inch frying pan and our 13-inch fish fryer. We already got the Big Easy going. We're gonna pour some water in a cup of water. When I say a cup, I don't mean a measuring cup, but just a cup. Enough water that you're satisfied that it's not touching whatever you're cooking. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dump in some seasoning. Today's seasoning. Now, I don't have any crab ball. I would have preferred to put a little crab ball in there, but we're gonna go ahead and put some Slap Your Mama in there. Boom. And remember, these crabs are already cooked. We're just basically re-steaming them, rehydrating them, warming them up, if you will. We're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. Boom. Now let's go ahead and see how many crab we can get in here, fam. If you wonder where I got these crab from, my granddaughter brought these from me from Baton Rouge. Her and her friend were eating crabs. They had their fill, so they was like, hey, let's take them to Paw and see what he can do with them. Y'all know I'm gonna make it happen, right? All right, fam, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crabs. We're gonna go ahead and put the lid on those and let them go to town. We're gonna come back in and check them in about 7 to 10 minutes. If we need water, you know what? Let's add some butter to this formula, just because we can. All right, family, y'all stand by. All right, fam. Either we're all out of butter or it's out in the RV. And with it being 100+ degrees here in Louisiana, I didn't feel like walking out there. So these crabs are gonna get what they get. All right, family, like I said, we'll be back in a few minutes. We're gonna check our crabs, see what progress they're making. And don't forget, do not park this Big Easy Turkey Fryer if it's just because it's not Thanksgiving. I have found a ton of uses for this thing, and this is primary for me because I don't like that crab smell being in the house. It takes Lysol, it takes candles and everything else to get rid of a fishy smell, but out here in the wide open range, it is what it is. All right, family, once again, y'all stand by and I will be back. All right, fam. We started this video at exactly 2 o'clock. That says about 2:07, about 2:09 on Alexa. All right, let's see what we're working with. I probably should have said that. I probably woke her up. Let's walk away like nothing happened. All right, fam. Looking good. Look at that steam. You can see that. Why am I looking at me? Hold on. I know y'all want to be looking at me, but hold on. There we go. There we go. All right, fam. Check that out. Not quite there yet. So let's give it another 5 minutes or so. Let's see what we're working with. Can we add a little bit of water to that? Should we? Should we? Nah. All right, fam, we're about 12 minutes in. Ready or not, here we come. Now, fam, I'm gonna be honest with you. I have fried crab. I have pulled the meat out and made, crab salad. But I've never steamed crabs from scratch. But I believe everything in me is telling me these are ready to go, dog. So, fam, we're gonna go ahead and dump these babies right over in here. Look at that, look at that. We're gonna let those babies cool off for just a hair there. I actually have 6 more that my granddaughter bought me. I think a total of 12, but we're gonna go ahead and leave it at that because I don't think I'm hungry enough for 12 at this particular 10:36. And for all you XC beers, that's time. All right, fam, we're gonna go ahead and let those cool off for just a tidbit. Oh yeah, nice and warm. And we're gonna come back and see what we're working with. All right, fam. One more time, y'all hang in there, and I'll be right back. All right, fam, we are back. Y'all gonna have to excuse that noise in the background. That is the fan, because once again, it is 101,000 degrees here in South Louisiana and around the world, it seems. Woo! All right, fam. Let's drag this table right over here to us like this here. All right, let me get that up. Let's get these crabs in the shot. Oh yeah, right yonder. Woo-hoo! Back y'all up just a hair. Get this pretty face in there as well. All right, that'll work. That'll work. That'll work. All right, family. Oh yeah, these boys are still piping hot. Let's go ahead and see, can we do this with our finger? If not, we'll go get us an apparatus, if you will. All right, fam, y'all stand down. I don't want to mess up my fingernail. Let's go get a butter knife. All right, fam, we are back. I don't know why. I think that is the male crab, and I think all of these are male crab, and I don't know why we're only sacrificing the dudes like that. Ain't right, but such is, I guess they're trying to preserve the lineage. So that you pop that out, get rid of the lungs, split that baby in half like so, and there you go. Delicious meat. All right, fam. They are steamed all the way through. Delicious. And I would wager the bet they taste just as good, if not better, than they did the moment they came out of the freaking steamer at the store. All right, fam. I'm not gonna make y'all sit here and watch me eat the rest of these crabs. I just want to show you one more thing that you can do with the Big Easy Turkey Fryer. Take that thing out of storage, take it out of the shed, take it out of the closet, and here in mid-July, hot summer, you can still use this thing better than a barbecue pit, baby. All right, maybe I'll name that video Better Than a Barbecue Pit. All right, family, I'm gonna go enjoy these steamed crab, and I will catch y'all in the next video. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all have a great day. Peace.